You've had your brain your entire life. You use it every single second of every single day, and yet most people know almost nothing about it. Today, we're going to fix that. Here are 10 facts about your brain that are going to genuinely change the way you see yourself. Did you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Right now, as you watch this, roughly 86 billion neurons in your head are firing electrical signals back and forth, producing somewhere between 10 and 23 watts of power, enough to literally light up a room. Well, technically, you are a walking power source. Did you know that your brain is about 60% fat? That's right, the organ doing all your thinking, decision making, and dreaming is more than half made of fat. It is actually the fattiest organ in the entire human body, which means the next time someone calls you a fathead, well, that's just biology. They're not wrong. Did you know that your brain can't actually feel pain? The brain has zero pain receptors, like literally none, which is why surgeons can perform brain surgery on fully awake patients. No anesthetic needed. The brain can literally not tell you it's being touched. But the headaches you feel and other head issues, that's actually the surrounding tissues, blood vessels, and nerves, not the brain itself. Crazy, right? Did you know that your brain keeps developing until your mid 20s? Most people think that the brain is fully formed by the time you're a teenager. It's not. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision making, impulse control, and judgment, is not fully developed until around the age of 25. So if you make terrible decisions at 19, science has your back. Factually speaking, you have about 70,000 thoughts per day. Researchers estimate the average human brain produces between 60,000 and 80,000 thoughts every single day. That's roughly one thought per second. The wild part is that studies suggest that about 80% of these thoughts are negative, and 95% are the exact same thought you had yesterday. Your brain is basically running the same playlist on loop every single day. Did you also know that your brain physically changes every time you learn something new? This is called neuroplasticity. Every time you pick up a new skill, memorize something, or even just have a new experience, your brain literally rewires itself, forming new neural connections. Your brain is not fixed, it's constantly reshaping itself based on what you do and what you think. The brain processes images in little as 13 milliseconds. That is faster than the blink of an eye, which actually takes about 150 milliseconds. That means your brain can identify a complete image before you're even consciously aware you saw it. That's why first impressions happen so fast, and a single image can trigger a memory or emotion instantly. Moving on, your brain is more active when you're asleep than when you're watching TV. During sleep, especially REM sleep, your brain is running at near full capacity. It is processing memories, clearing out toxins, filing away emotions, and essentially doing maintenance on itself. TV, on the other hand, puts the brain in a passive low stimulation state. Sleep is doing a lot more for you than Netflix ever will. One amazing fact about the human brain is that no two brains are identical, not even twins' brains. Just like fingerprints, every human brain is structurally unique. The pattern of folds, the density of connections, the size of individual regions, all of it differ from person to person. Even identical twins who share the same DNA develop different brain structures based on their individual experiences. Coming on to fact number 10, your brain is constantly predicting the future. Most people think the brain reacts to the world around it. Actually, neuroscientists now believe the brain spends most of its time generating predictions about what's going to happen next, and only updates when reality doesn't match. You're not experiencing the world in real time, you're experiencing your brain's best guess of what the world is. And that's all, folks. 10 facts, one brain, and somehow you're still full of questions, which is, well, honestly the whole point. If any of these facts blow your mind, drop it in the comments. And if you want more of this every week, subscribe to Factually Speaking. New videos 3 times a week. See you in the next one.